Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In this video, we'll be discussing how to register DSC in new income tax portal. By this time, hope you all might be knowing that the income tax portal has upgraded and everyone has to register the DSC in the new income tax portal again. Many people have many doubts in registering the DSC in the new income tax portal. So, in this video, we'll be discussing how to register DSC in the new income tax portal. Before getting the topic how to register DSC, let us understand what exactly DSC is. Digital Signature Certificate. DSC are the digital equivalent, that is electronic format of physical or paper certificates. A digital signature certificate is a secure digital key that is used by the certifying authorities for the purpose of validating and certifying the identity of the person holding this certificate. Digital signatures make use of the public key encryptions to create the signatures. DSC stands for Digital Signature Certificate, which is an equivalent digital format of physical or paper certificates. A digital signature certificate is more secure than the paper or physical documents. This digital certificate secure digital key that is issued by a certifying authority for the purpose of validating and certifying the identity of the person holding the certificate. And this digital signature uses the public key encryptions to create the signatures. A digital signature certificate contains information about the username, PIN code, country, email address, date of the issuance of the certificate, and name of the certifying authority. A digital certificate can be presented electronically to prove one's identity, to access information or services on the internet, or to sign the certain documents digitally. A digital signature certificate is presented electronically to prove the identity of the person, to access the information and the services on the internet, or to sign the documents digitally. And this digital signature certificate contains the information about the username, country, PIN code, email address, and date of the issuance of the certificate, and also the name of the certifying authority. What are the benefits of DSC? Now let us see what are the benefits of DSCs. Physical documents are signed manually. Similarly, electronic documents, e-forms, are required to be signed digitally using a digital signature certificate. A digital signature certificate are useful in authenticating the personal information details of the individual holder when conducting the business online. As we sign the documents physically, in the same way, the electronic documents and the e-forms are signed digitally with the digital signature certificate. These digital signature certificates are very much useful in authenticating the personal information of the individual holder while conducting the business online. Reduce cost and time. Instead of signing the hard copy documents physically and scanning them to send them through email, you can digitally sign the PDF files and send them much more quickly. Data integrity. Documents that are signed digitally cannot be altered or edited after signing, which makes the data safe and secure. Authenticity of documents. Digitally signed documents give confidence to the receiver to be assured of the signer's authenticity. So these are the three benefits of using the DSC. What are required to register DSC on income tax portal? So before getting into our main topic, how to register DSC, let us now understand what are required to register DSC on income tax portal. Before getting registered DSC in income tax portal, employer should have the DSC digital signature certificate ready for the registration of income tax portal along with the user PIN. Employer can obtain digital signature certificate class 2 or above from any valid licensed certifying authority provided by the controller of certifying authorities in order to registration of digital signature. The digital signature certificate has to register in employer income tax portal to start harvesting the benefits of the system. To attest and file returns online, the employers are required to register digital signature certificate with income tax portal. And also important tasks like KYC, e-filing ITR, etc. are being done online by the authorized persons of the employer using the digital signature certificate in the income tax portal. So before getting registered DSC on the income tax portal, one should have the digital signature certificate ready with the user PIN. So to get the digital signature certificate, one can obtain it from valid licensed certifying authority approved by the controller of certifying authorities for the generation of the digital signature. And to obtain the benefits of the income tax portal, one has to register the DSC with the income tax portal for attesting and filing the income tax returns, etc. So dear friends, hope you understood what are required to register DSC on a new income tax portal. Now let us see practically how to register DSC on new income tax portal. First open the Google search engine and type www.incometaxgov.in and you will be popped out with the old income tax portal, but if you click, you will be directed to new income tax portal. As I said, even though if you are clicking on the old website portal, it is directed to new income tax website, that is incometax.gov.in. Here we need to click on login. As it is a new website, sometimes it takes time. Here we have popped out with login details. So we need to enter the login, that is nothing but PAN number of the employer. Then click on continue. After that, it will be asking for you to confirm the secured message. So click on the option and enter the password. Then click on continue button. So now we have signed in into the new income tax portal. Here it says welcome to e-portal and name of the company. You can avail the following services. These are the services which we can avail. At the same time, here it says that update profile to avail the following services. So these are the services which can be availed. For that we need to update the profile. So to update the profile, come down and click on update profile. Even for DSC, we need to click on this option update profile. After clicking on the update profile, we are directed to the personal details wherein we can see Register DSC. So as we want to register the DSC, so we need to click on this option Register DSC. As it is a new website, it is taking time to load. Finally, it has loaded. Now we need to click on Register DSC. After clicking on Register DSC, Register Digital Signature Certificate DSC. You are registering DSC for the PAN number so and so. Here it's showing an option I have downloaded and installed emSigner utility. As we haven't downloaded, we have to download the emSigner utility. So for that, please drop down. Here you can see a option called click here to download emSigner utility. And there is another option called click here for instruction on installing emSigner utility. So if you want to understand the instructions, you can click on this and understand what are the instructions to be followed for installing the emSigner utility. So here I'll click on download emSigner utility. Do you want to open or save? So I will click at save. Now I will go to the downloads where here I can see that emBridge document has been downloaded. So I need to extract this file. After extracting, you can see emBridge setup. Now we need to run as administrator. Do you want to allow the app to make changes to your device? Yes. Additional shortcut, create a desktop software. So you need to select this and click on next button. Install the software. Preparing to install. Next. Completing the emBridge setup wizard. Finish. So dear friends, we can see the emBridge on our desktop. Here we need to right click and run as administrator. Do you want to allow the app to make changes on your device? Yes. Here it shows that service status has to be updated. If it is update, then click on update. Download and install. As we already created on desktop, so it's not required. Click on next button. Install. Next. Now open it. Here we can see that update has completed and the service status is running. Now let's get back to our income tax portal and select the option I have downloaded and installed the emSigner utility. Then click on continue button. Data sign. Now we have finally came to a place where we need to sign the DSC. Before that, we need to put the DSC into the USB of the computer or the laptop. Here I have already put the DSC to my laptop. Then we need to select the provider. ePass, this is the provider. So we need to select the provider. Then certificate. So here the certificate is test key. So we need to select the option. Then finally the provider password. As I already mentioned, we need to enter the user PIN. So user PIN is nothing but the password. After entering the password, click on sign. So friends, we can see Register Digital Signature Certificate DSC. Your Digital Signature Certificate DSC is registered successfully and the transaction ID is so and so. So by this we can see that the digital signature is registered successfully on the new income tax portal. So dear friends, hope you understood how to register DSC on new income tax portal. If you have any queries or questions related to this video, please do comment in the comment section. I'll be happy enough to answer all your queries. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.